According to the current National Electrical Code, or NEC, and underwriters' laboratories, or UL, the use of aluminum conduit underground is prohibited unless it meets specific requirements for corrosion protection. NEC Section 358.10c states the following: C. Corrosion protection. Aluminum raceways and fittings shall be protected from corrosion by one of the following methods. 1. Threaded raceways and fittings shall be protected from corrosion by coating with a corrosion-resistant coating or by using a protective enclosure. 2. Unthreaded raceways and fittings shall be coated inside and outside with a corrosion-resistant coating. 3. Aluminum raceways and fittings shall be made from corrosion-resistant material. UL Standard 6 states aluminum conduit shall not be used underground unless protected by an approved corrosion-resistant coating. UL has investigated and approved several two-part epoxy coatings for use on aluminum conduit underground. These coatings provide effective protection against corrosion. While the maintenance person's practice of using aluminum conduit underground with a two-part epoxy coating may be acceptable, it is crucial to ensure that the coating meets UL approval and is properly applied. Given the potential for corrosion and the stringent requirements for underground aluminum conduit, it is strongly recommended to avoid using aluminum conduit underground in new installations. Instead, consider using PVC conduit, which is non-conductive and highly resistant to corrosion.